Hello and welcome to Geekatplay Studio Tutorials. So in this tutorial we'll look very fast how you can create coil or spring. Sometimes maybe when you create mechanical type of the species or some modeling, you want to create spirals going around that you may use that also for the plant. Some plant do have those spirals, but also it's give you some techniques to showing how you can modify to create a little bit more advanced type of the shape. So for this we'll just have to use segment that we currently have, and we're going inside the influence for the segment type. Actually, let's go first to the segment and we'll just set this to 10%, leave it thinner so we can preview. Next we'll go inside the influence, and right here we'll enable local weights. So we'll switch this one to the swirl, and on a swirl what we need to do, we need to modify X, Y. We don't need Z, so we'll set to 0. Next let's modify and add 0.1 to X and 0.1 actually 0.1 to Y. Okay, you can see have it some distortion, but it's not very visible because we need increase a string a little bit higher. So let's pop up this up to 6, and there you go. You can see with strings now we have it our spring. You also notice how there's influence, so if you need modify, you see it's affecting. We need to go inside the root, wind, simple combine wind. Okay, when we do combine wind, then we can see our have it forces enable, so we can have it in flexibility. Let's bring down slightly on flexibility and a little bit less effect on a wind for the spring, and we can go back and enable simple wind and preview now, so you can see it's affecting a little bit better on flexibility at this moment. It's kind of going, but overall this is fastest way you can do by using global base and create interesting shape. Of course, anytimes you can just add different properties and see how those ones will affect as well on a Z index or on additional X and Y. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Geekatplay Studio. Please remember visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.